Everyone, this is Sandy Cranny of the Heart, and I'm back with my project share. It's for the Concord and Ninth in the Classroom Holiday Edition. I still have not finished my La La Land crafts. I have 2 projects left. And they're doozies, man. When you see the projects, you're like, oh my gosh. So they're intense. Intense. So I still have a box to make and a journal. Plus, I have a coloring class to take. So I don't even know. I'm hoping I'll finish it, this weekend. But anyway, for Concord and Ninth, they did a mini workshop for holiday. And so this is actually the second class. I'm kind of going out of order. And I'll talk a little bit about the kit all at one time. So because it's just easier that way. For the second class, kind of going out of order, we did this in the classroom pop-up shop with Jennifer McGuire. And so the way that they did their class is, I believe they videotaped the actual class component, and then they have live components. So the pop-up shop is adorable. So for our kit, we got these dies. I have no idea if these are exclusive dies or if they're going to be in the shop, but this is what we got. So we got the pop-up dies. So they come, and I'm going to show you all the pieces of that that come on 2 panels. There are just so many tiny pieces. I had to put them on a magnet sheet because they were just disappearing all over the freaking place. We got a bunch of paper. We got gold and silver, even though I think we only used the gold. We used the enamel dots, and then we also got a stamp set, but we didn't really use too much of the stamp set. We used, there's a lot that we could do with this, but we pretty much just used the Merry Christmas and the stripes stamp. But they're you could do things with the presents. You could use ornaments. I mean, there's a lot you could do with it. And then let's see, what else did we get? We also got some inks, but we didn't really, I only used a little bit of the inks. So we got 6 inks in our kit, as well as we got a roll of double-sided tape. And like I said, we got 6 of the little cubes, and we got 3 brushes. So it's a pretty nice kit. So what did we make? What does this thing make? It makes the cutest cards. So these are the cards that we made with Jennifer McGuire, and then I'll show you 2 cards that I made using stuff that I got from Not Too Shabby Shop. So you can see how you can adapt it with things that you have. So this one was kind of a bit of a mess. She wanted one where you could pop the door open, and it's kind of awkward. I don't know that I would make it again with the door open, or I'd try to find another way to do that. This really wasn't working for me, but you can see the little tree in there, and then we have this, the window, and we did some ink on the top. And I think it's adorable. It's adorable. So we did that one. And then this one right here, I really liked this one. So this one right here is very cute. We put the top on a little bit differently. I can see really decorating a gift bag with this. I think it'd be really, really cute. But yeah, we did a little bit of the stripes in the back to kind of give that look, and and it folds right into an A2 size card. So these were the 2 that we had made, and then I had gone ahead, and because I wanted to use my new gingerbread bundle from the Not Too Shabby Shop, I made 2 of them using the products that I got from the Not Too Shabby Shop, the gingerbread I Want It All bundle. And so I used mostly the ephemera. I only used the stamp set for the gingerbread hugs because I really kind of just wanted this to be kind of quick, because I made a video showing how to make it without using dies on my channel. So if you're interested in that, but I think it's just adorable, and I am loving this. So you can do this for all seasons. It does not have to be just Christmas at all. You could do birthday and just I don't know, all kinds of different things you could use this for. And I'm going to remember that because I think I do want to use this for other things. So that's one of the classes that we made. And so that is great. I love it. I think it's just amazing. What I love about this the most is that it can be used for all seasons. So that's something I think is great. The other thing that we did is we made 2 other cards, and this one is like a hot mess because got this cute spread joy, which I think is adorable. And then what else did we get? So we get this. Just going through my box of stuff. Okay, so the next class that we made is the next class, or actually the first class, was this joy. And I love the stamp set. I love the, it's a hot mess because I just did the class. This one I have not put on a magnet sheet yet, but I am totally going to because it is just the nightmare. All these little pieces drives me crazy. So this is a 3-piece stencil that does joy, and you can use just 1, 2, or 3 of the different stencils, however you want it. We also got the die that cuts out the joy. It also does different holly berry thingies and leaves, and the sentiments can also be cut out using this banner die. And then we also got the stamp set. So I love that. I think we got great value. I had a lot of the inks. I don't think I had the evergreen ink, but I think I had a lot of the other inks. And so I think the rest of the inks are going to go on my giveaway because I have a lot of the inks. So the projects that we made, we also got a bag of sequins. And so I love this because this card in particular reminds me of like the Miracle on 34th Street. Like it has that vintage vibe. So I really, really love this. And so we made this card, and our teacher for this was Christina Werner. So they had some big names doing the classes this time. So Christina Werner, and I love it. Really, really cute. You can make a lot of cards really quickly. And then we did this one right here, which I love this one too because we did a little bit of a different technique in layering the color on our stencils. So we did different color for each letter, and it was big enough in order to be able to do that. And then we did like a gradation for the second layer. And I don't think we did a third layer. So I think a third layer would be cool, like to stencil like some glitter paste or something over it. I think would be amazing. But really, really cute. Easy cards. I think these are really good for, I think you could do multiples if you wanted to. I don't really do a lot of multiples anymore because I don't send that many cards out. I do send cards to my subscribers if they're interested in getting a card from me. I do that in the holiday season because I like to send out handmade cards. So, and like to my family, I generally send, picture cards. So some of my family and friends only see my children once a year or a couple times a year. So, and my kids are still at that stage where they're really changing. Like my boy is just grew like 3 inches from last year. He's almost 6 feet tall. So things have changed. And my little one is 14, and I say little one because she's shorter than me, but she's 14. So anyway, they like to get the picture cards, but I love sending out handmade. So we did these, and then so we got a really nice kit, and I really enjoyed the little booklet that they made for us, which is amazing. And then the other thing is we got this little bag of goodies. I haven't even opened it yet, with like, I think little stickers. This one is Share Handmade Kindness, and there's these cute little stickers that I think are really adorable that we also got, and we also got a little button, and it was fun. And I actually really enjoyed, I don't always enjoy everything that I get sometimes in a kit or a class. I will say that La La Land, I loved everything. Pink Fresh Studio, I loved everything. This Concord and Ninth, I loved everything. My Create and Connect, I liked some of the products that I got, and some of them are ones that are just, you know, I don't really need. So they'll probably go in my D-stash, which I hope to do very soon. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Praying with a Heart.